What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make adjustments to the PVR if in case you have any problems once you have turned the thing back on, once you have reestablished power. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to reestablish power. Okay, got power back on. You should see the image on the camera, but you may not see the image here on the PVR, which is fine. We are going to have to turn this on. So we got to turn this on. And you're going to want to see this blue screen that says PVR. Now, if everything is well, you're good to go. You just check the date and time, make sure that's accurate. This number here is how much storage space is on the PVR. If it's less than 5, you're going to want to give us a call. That means somehow we're recording too much video. But you'll notice that it's not recording right now. That's because there's no motion going on in the sink. But if I test it by going in front of the sink, you can see I'm recording. So everything's good. You don't need to do anything. Everything's working as it should. If for whatever reason things are not working as they should, we're going to access the menu system of the PVR. You don't want to access it while it's recording, so we just got to wait a few seconds here until this is no longer recording. Okay, the PVR is no longer recording, so I'm going to access the menu. The menu button is right here. To scroll up and down, you're going to use this pad over here. Right now the video resolution is set at 640 by 240. We want that. If for whatever reason it's not, by accessing to the right of the pad, you can make changes. But we want it at the 640 by 240. To scroll down, you simply hit down on the pad. Most of this stuff we don't want to mess with. Don't want to mess with any of this stuff. The time setup, if we have to make any changes to the time, to access the setup, you want to hit this, what looks like a play button, like a VCR play button right here on the pad. And then if you want to make any changes, like if the date is wrong, so you just scroll to the right, and then if you scroll up or down, you can change any one of the numbers. But right now my time looks good. So again, by hitting the play, I can exit that. And again, I'm going to keep scrolling down. Motion record should be on. If it's not, turn it on. Again, by going to the right, you can make changes. Motion setup, you shouldn't have to mess with. Motion record time, if for whatever reason you see 30 seconds, we're just going to go to the right once. We're going to change that to a minute. It just gives a little bit extra time. And the LCD auto off should be turned on. What that means is once it starts recording, this screen will go black, and that's okay because we have that. The auto off is on. So once we're good, we hit the return button again. That'll bring us back to this main screen, get us out of the menu, and that's it. It should be good to go. And again, I'm not recording because there's no motion in front. Activate the motion, it's recording, and eventually, because we turn the auto off, this screen will eventually go black, but you're good to go. So if you got any questions, give us a call. Thank you.